there are few problems, like a patient sometimes feels that the hair is falling in the first 1.5 months after the treatment. So in that case, it is a adaptation actually. So when the hair falls, it is just the shaft of the hair which is falling. The root of the hair will remain inside, and it will have a regrowth after 2.5 months. So after that, once the regrowth happens, the hair is not going to fall, and it will follow the natural cycle. Patient can go for haircut and do all the other treatment as needed. Plus, there are a few maintenance procedures which patient has to follow after the hair transplant, like taking PRP or GRC. So PRP is basically the platelet-rich plasma. We are separating the RBC and WBC from the blood, and only the plasma is injected back into the scalp. So this plasma is having the growth factors, which will give a boost for the natural hair as well as the transplanted hair. And if patient takes this maintenance after the procedure, he will have a good result. Also, there is a product which is called as minoxidil. So the minoxidil has to be taken by the patient for lifetime after the procedure. So minoxidil is basically vasodilator. Vasodilator means it increases the blood supply to the hair, and this will give a good maintenance and a better growth for the hair. Thank you.